Hey there, curious minds! Get ready to embark on a super cool space adventure as we journey through our incredible solar system. Before that, if you are watching our channel for the very fast time, do not forget to subscribe it for watching exciting videos like this. Our journey begins with Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. It's like a super hot oven because it's so close to the Sun. But don't worry, we won't be packing any swimsuits for this trip. Next up, we have Venus. It's the hottest planet in our solar system. It's covered in thick clouds that trap heat, making it even hotter than a hot summer day on Earth. Oh, hello there, Earth. That's where we live. It's the perfect place for plants, animals, and us because it's not too hot, not too cold. Zooming along, we reach Mars. It's also known as the Red Planet because of its rusty color. Scientists are curious about Mars and have even sent robots to explore it. Wow, look at Jupiter. It's the biggest planet of them all. Imagine a planet so big that you could fit more than 1,000 Earths inside it. And here's Saturn, famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. If you had a super-duper long jump rope, you might be able to jump through its rings. Say hello to Uranus. It's a bit wobbly because it rolls around on its side while it orbits the Sun. How funny is that? Last but not least, Neptune. It's way out there. Neptune has some speedy winds that make it a windy wonderland. And there you have it, our incredible solar system filled with planets of all shapes, sizes, and colors, each with its own unique personality. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that there's a whole universe of wonders up there waiting for us to explore. Thanks for joining our space adventure. See you next time, explorers. Like, share, and subscribe for more global explorations. Until next time, keep wandering.